Welcome to our channel, everybody. Please watch my video till the end, it may benefit you in your future life. May Allah bless you with good health, effective treatments for erectile dysfunction and 6 easy things restoring erectile dysfunction. Introduction. Millions of men across the world suffer from the prevalent ailment known as erectile dysfunction, ED. The inability to obtain or maintain an erection strong enough for sexual engagement is referred to. Despite the fact that it might be an upsetting and stressful experience, it is crucial to realize that there are many efficient therapies available. We will examine some of the most effective methods for treating erectile dysfunction in this post. Assisting people in regaining their sexual health, self-confidence, and general well-being. 1. Lifestyle changes. It is advised to follow a healthy lifestyle before considering medical procedures. Erectile dysfunction is caused by some behaviors, including smoking, drinking too much alcohol, eating poorly, and sitting around too much. People can greatly enhance their general health and possibly lessen the symptoms of ED by giving up smoking, reducing alcohol consumption, eating a balanced diet, and exercising frequently. 2. Psychological counseling. Psychological issues like stress, anxiety, depression, and interpersonal issues can have an impact on erectile dysfunction. Individuals who seek professional counseling or therapy can address underlying emotional problems and create coping mechanisms. In controlling ED and enhancing sexual function, psychological therapies including cognitive behavioral therapy have been shown to be useful. 3. Oral drugs. PDE5 inhibitors, also referred to as oral pills, are frequently the initial line of treatment for erectile dysfunction. Nitric oxide is a naturally occurring molecule in the body that relaxes the muscles in the penis. Drugs like sildenafil, Viagra, tadalafil, Cialis, and vardenafil, Levitra, operate by boosting the effects of nitric oxide. Men can now obtain and maintain erections when sexually stimulated thanks to the high success rates of these drugs in improving erectile function. 4. Vacuum erection devices. Vacuum erection devices, VEDs, employ a vacuum pump to suck blood into the penis, generating an erection. They are non-invasive devices. The erection is then kept in place by placing a constriction ring at the base of the penis. VEDs provide a non-drug alternative and can be combined with other therapies. They are especially useful for people who cannot or don't want to take oral drugs. If this information is useful to you, please click the like button, subscribe channel, to receive my most recent advice on diet and health. 5. Intracavernosal injections. These may be suggested for people who do not respond to oral drugs or who are unable to take them for medical reasons. These procedures involve injecting prostaglandins or vasodilators directly into the base or side of the penis, which increases blood flow and promotes erection. Self-injections may sound intimidating, yet many men find this technique to be quite effective and satisfying. 6. Penile implants. If all previous treatments have been unsuccessful, penile implants may be an option. In order to provide an erection on demand, this surgical procedure includes inserting inflatable or semi-rigid rods inside the penis. Penile implants, despite being a more invasive approach, offer increased sexual function and enjoyment as a long-term therapy for people with severe erectile dysfunction. Conclusion: erectile dysfunction can negatively affect a man's relationships, self-esteem, and quality of life. However, there is hope for those who are battling with ED because to the extensive range of therapy choices that are offered today. There are methods to fit different needs and tastes, ranging from lifestyle changes to psychological counseling, oral drugs to cutting-edge medical equipment, and even surgical treatments. It is crucial for men who experience erectile dysfunction to speak with a healthcare provider to figure out the best course of action for their particular situation. People can recover their sexual health, closeness, and confidence by dealing with erectile dysfunction head-on. I thank you so much for watching my video today, and as always, I wish you good health, prosperity, and happiness. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well.